Do not say a word to the police until I get there.
That's criminal defense attorney Barry Sands. He specializes in criminal law, including driving under the influence of alcohol and marijuana.
And people get arrested, and sometimes they're found not guilty, and sometimes they are not guilty. I handled all types of criminal cases. I concentrate on driving under the influence, spousal abuse, theft cases, and drug cases mostly.
Drivers can be falsely arrested for DUI.
Sometimes you weren't even driving. Sometimes somebody else was driving and they have you switch seats. I have a case like that now. Sometimes you weren't under the influence. You might have had 1 or 2 drinks, but the alcohol might not have affected your brain and your driving ability.
Testing devices for alcohol might not be accurate.
It can be invalid. It cannot be calibrated properly. People sometimes just were not under the influence and are charged with the crime of being under the influence. Frequently, we get reduced charges, and in fact, some of the cases we get dismissed, especially some of the marijuana cases, which are very frequent now. I've had 3 dismissed recently. I'm trying to give everybody their constitutional rights and protect them from false accusations and false convictions.
When he deals with clients accused of drug charges, he tries to get them into recovery to avoid jail.
I'm a certified drug and alcohol counselor educated at UCLA. I am a registered addiction specialist from the Brining Institute.
So this can keep them out of jail?
Yes, and I get them into recovery as soon as possible, into AA or NA. If they have a drug problem or they have an alcohol problem, they can get credit for the time that they do in recovery against any potential jail time, and it can, in effect, in the long term, keep them out of jail.
Criminal defense lawyer Barry Sands gives out his cell phone number and wants to talk to clients directly. You don't go through an answering service. He deals with all kinds of legal matters, and clients appreciate his service.
If I call Attorney Sands, no matter what time of the day or night, he's always picking up the phone. Yeah, I had his personal cell phone number, as a matter of fact, not wired through the office, through the mainframe. It was his phone that was in his pocket, actually.
Criminal defense lawyer Barry Sands. His cell number is 310-850-5070. bsandslaw.com. He's a former prosecutor. He wants to protect your rights. Call for a free consultation.